Welcome to HolyGrail Algo, simplified trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. HolyGrail Algo is not liable for any loss or damages which may result directly or indirectly from such content.
Thank you for watching another HolyGrail Algo video. Today I'm going to go ahead and talk about how to download market replay data using NinjaTrader, and I'll explain why that's useful and how you might use it. So the very first thing you need to make sure of is that you are connected to your data provider. Once you are connected, you'll see that you've got a green symbol here. From there, you're actually going to go up to Tools, and you're going to select Historical Data. Then from Historical Data, you actually need to click on Load here. Once you click on Load, you'll see Get Market Replay Data. Now the only drawback with Ninja when downloading their market replay data is that you can only download one day at a time. So let's go ahead and select the NQ, download the 16th, download the 15th. It does download relatively quickly, it's just a little tedious to do it. And make sure we've got the data for the 17th downloaded as well. Now go up to connections, you disconnect from your live data, you go back to connections and you hit playback connection. So what this is going to do is it's essentially going to let you trade these previous days in a simulation account. And if you wanted to, you could go ahead and, for instance, add an indicator. Let's say the HolyGrail Algo. Get that added, apply, OK. So I'm back to where the candles are about to start on November 14th. And if I go ahead and hit play, the candles are going to start moving as if I'm in the real market. Now if I wanted to speed this up a little, you can go up here and you can change the speed. Now that does make it a little bit harder to keep up with this and actually submit trades, but you can slow it down once you feel like you get to maybe a time frame that you're comfortable with or that you like to trade during. You could speed this all the way up and get this to about 9:30, the open of the US session, and you'd still be able to watch how it's doing along the way. But then say you actually get to that time, or any time, let's say I wanted to trade here about 4 o'clock. Go ahead and pause this real quick, slow the time down, and I can wait for a trade to set up. And here's an example here. So this is treating this like a real market trade. If I were going to trade this, I would want to be looking at my levels on TradingView, of course, in multiple time frames. But for this example, I just wanted to show you that I am taking a trade in the playback account. If I wanted to, I can go ahead and put in a stop here.
Order submitted.
Just above the HMA. And maybe a take profit at about the 50.
Order submitted.
And I could actually speed this up now that that's all in there. I don't necessarily have to sit there and wait for this to play out.
Order filled. Order canceled.
And it's that easy. You just download the data, you make sure you're connected to the playback connection on your chart, and you go ahead and take the trades as if you're in the real market. And this is great because it lets you get a lot of practice without risking any money, and you're not missing out on being in the actual live market, because this is something you can do after hours when you're studying and trying to refine your craft. Alright, thanks guys.
Thank you for watching HolyGrail Algo. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop us some comments.